So you have a performance, or perhaps you have a presentation. Whatever is going on, you have to get in front of an audience and you are freaking out. So today I'm going to take you through a brief warm-up session so that you can return to this video again and again every time you have to go in front of an audience. This is for anybody, whether you're a student giving a presentation at school, someone giving a presentation at work, or a singer who's about to get on stage. So let's get started. Start by sitting up tall, and let's go ahead and roll those shoulders back. I want you to start noticing the feeling in your muscles. This is body awareness, and it's the most important part of our warm-up. Incorporate your breathing now. Inhale through your nose as you bring the shoulders up. Exhale through the mouth as you drop them down. Okay. So get settled, stay upright, but relaxed. And now let's stretch out the face. Notice all the muscles in your cheeks as you stretch. Notice the upper lip, a common source of tension. Move your jaw side to side. Feel those muscles stretch. One more big round movement. Notice the muscles here. And let's do some lip trills. We gotta wake up the muscles of the face again. One more. Middle two fingers at the third eye point. Drop your jaw. Inhale as you push up. Turn the wrists and pull as you press. Inhale up. And exhale as you pull away. The forehead is where our thinking muscles are, our anger muscles, our stress. So anytime we're thinking or worried about something, we tend to tense up the muscles in the forehead. Even if you're just making an effort, you might tense up these muscles. And what this does is it sends a signal to your brain that says danger, and it will tighten up your voice. So we want to warm up these forehead muscles and make them nice and relaxed. Okay, now let's loosen up our resonator muscles. So same fingers on the side of the nose, drop your jaw, and trace the underside of your cheekbones all the way to the hinge point of the jaw. Mouth is down. We breathe in through the mouth. And exhale. Keep it hanging open, tongue relaxed. One more. Okay, one more resonator exercise. Middle and index finger on the cheekbones. I want to feel bone. Drop your jaw, drop your tongue as if you're about to yawn. Press and shake. Press and vibrate those muscles right above the cheekbones. Drop your jaw and go. Good. Drop them down a little further. A little further down. A little further down. Now the cheek. The chin. Work your way around the mouth. When we get nervous, we tend to tighten our upper lip. You've heard that phrase, a stiff upper lip. That's when you don't want to say what you're really feeling. But you're about to give a presentation and you need to have a loose upper lip. Let's do one more round. Good. Okay. Now let's do 3 audible sighs. Inhale through the nose. Let the exhale sound drop down into your chest. Let all the tension in your chest melt away as far down into your stomach as you can go. Inhale. All that fear and worry getting out of your throat, going down your torso, down, 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 down. One more. Inhale. Good. All right, we're going to do some vocal exercises to get your voice warmed up. Fingers right here on your cheekbones so you can feel the resonance. You're going to go, nice hum. Feel the vibrations right here. Notice the pressure on the roof of your mouth. Keep your cheeks lifted, your cheek muscles, to let a lot of resonance come out. Keep them lifted as you drop the jaw into an ah. Okay. Now we're going to do slides. So we're going to start low in the chest and we're going to slide up into our head like a siren. Good. All right. So now I'm going to walk you through a guided visualization, and feel free to hum while you're listening to me speak. The idea is for me to help you get into a frame of mind to ensure the most success for your coming presentation. So sit up tall, put your hands on your waist, and take a deep breath in through your nose as you expand your rib cage. Feel everything expand as you hold it at the top, and then with control, exhale through your nose. Now take the forceful inhalation out of the picture and just let air come in through your nose naturally as you expand your rib cage. Feel everything expand. Feel everything contract. If it really stresses you out, you can inhale and exhale as you like. Gentle movements, expanding and contracting. Now continue focusing on your breath. And at any point, you are welcome to begin humming if you want to feel more vibrations resonating through your throat and through your face and through your chest. Now notice the feeling in your shoulders. Feel your shoulders drop down. This is the posture of somebody who is completely at ease and feels 100% safe in their environment. Now picture the space where you will perform. If you've never seen it before, it's okay. Imagine what you think it might look like. If it's a conference room, picture that. If it's a stage, picture a stage. Now picture your audience. Doesn't matter where they are, classroom, concert hall, dive bar, corporate office, wherever. Picture your audience. Imagine them with a warm expression on their face. Feel positive energy coming from them. Now notice your own body. You're not quite on the stage yet. You're off to the side. Feel those shoulders in that relaxed position. Feel your chin lifted up. This is the posture of a confident person. Feel your arms hang down at your side, loose, relaxed. Your legs are strong and your feet are rooted to the earth. It's as if there's energy from the earth reaching up and connecting to your feet. You can feel this support as if nothing could ever tip you over. You are so supported by gravity. This allows the upper part of your body to hang loosely, shoulders back, arms hanging, chin up. See yourself walking to the place in front of the audience, feeling so confident that that energy from the earth is connecting immediately with your feet and your legs, knowing that you will stay upright no matter what happens. Because of this confidence, your upper body is relaxed and fluid, and you're able to stand with a certain kind of ease. You feel completely relaxed in front of the audience. You can see their faces have a warm expression, and they are happy to be there with you, and they are supporting you. They want you to do well. See yourself presenting in front of this audience with the uprightness of a confident person, a relaxed upper body, strong legs supported by the ground. Feel feelings of positivity, like you're having the best time of your life being there in front of everybody. And then see yourself as you finish the presentation. You can feel the energy of the audience loves you. Hear them applaud. See them looking at you with smiles on their faces. They are so glad that you shared with them. See yourself walking off the stage. Feel that smile on your face, that relaxation in your body, knowing that you just did the best job of your life. Feel yourself as you leave the space, going on to your next destination, feeling such a sense of relief. You did it. You did it with so much ease. Everybody appreciated you. You could feel it. See yourself in bed that night, reflecting on what just occurred that day. Feel a smile on your face and a relaxed sensation on your forehead. Even breathing, knowing that you did such an amazing job. Open your eyes. You can return to this at any time. Every time you have a performance or a presentation of some kind, return to this practice. This took about 15 minutes. That's it. After you've done this several times, you will memorize the sequence, and you can do it anytime, regardless of whether you have a device or an internet connection with you. Practice this several days before your presentation, every single day. You will start to wire success into your brain so that it is the inevitable outcome. If you are somebody who struggles with stage fright and a fear of speaking up, being yourself, expressing yourself authentically and honestly, check out my voice liberation method. It's 7 weeks, it's self paced, it involves guided visualizations like this, but it takes on a really cool theme of the hero's journey. It reads more like an adventure story where you are the star. It also has lots of original compositions underneath it to make it more exciting, more interesting. There's plenty of vocal technique that you will practice, you will master. And by mastering this vocal technique, it will be very easy to speak or sing by default with ease. There are also plenty of journal prompts and lots of PDF guides. There's a lot in there. And so far, everybody who has taken the course has written back with positive feedback. I mean it. Every single person has loved this course. So check it out in the link below, and I hope to see you in there. Keep going and keep sharing your voice because the world needs it. See you in the next one.